Which animal is this? Dog! Only a true animal lover will be able to guess these 10 animals. Let's go, easy level. Cat! Next one. Goldfish! Like if you got all correct so far, medium level. Parrot, 5th one. Hamster, 6th one. Chinchilla, subscribe if you also love animals like me. Hard level. Axolotl. Next one. Sugar glider. What about this one? Pangolin. Your score and the name of your favorite animal. Tell me in the comments. Last impossible one. Answer in the comments.